Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 26th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on gold, I mean, we are drifting up pretty good, but I still think this is likely a pullback to this move down right here. I think this first move down is like an A. I think this is possibly a B, and I think it's going to go down and make a C, which is probably a pullback to this last push up. And then eventually it's probably going to do this, and then eventually something like this. I personally think gold is going to be a very, very overlapping pattern for months. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is the area that I marked out a couple of days ago was this little box right here because this is lines up with the fib level and it's a pretty important area. So if we do get a nice solid breaker structure to the downside, especially if it happens at a Fibonacci retracement level, then you all know that what I'm going to say is that we should start looking for shorts again. We have a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, but then we also have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all in general. So if we can get the end of a trend for this possible fifth wave right here, then it possibly would be the top of a pullback and then go down like this, like I showed on the daily time frame. Just keep in mind that it doesn't have to do any of this. It could easily continue to go up. It's the breaker structure that's going to turn me back into a seller, is seeing a breaker structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level or this key area that I marked out. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.